Shamai, it's time for a new tattoo and Rachel's Rambles number 12. So yes, I do already have a few tattoos, including my Ukulaliens tattoo. But as I was having my Ukulele Wales logo as a tattoo, I thought it'd be fun to share it with you guys. So this is what happened yesterday. Busy day today. I'm having a new tattoo this afternoon. I'm actually getting my Ukulele Wales dragon. I'm putting that on the back of one of my legs. So you may never actually see it in videos, but not just that, I've got the Ukumaniacs coming up later on as well. We may do a bit of a jam, but we're certainly going to be discussing things like equipment, hence why I don't know if you can see just over my shoulder there. I've got my old mixer out because we've got to talk about things like PAs and things like that, discuss possible future gigs, set lists, all that kind of thing. Maybe we'll do a bit of playing, who knows? So I'm just getting ready to go down the village and get some new ink. Wish me luck. So I'm now in the village in Ystradgynlais. I'm just going over the river a minute. It's a beautiful afternoon. It's where I normally have my hair cut. Need one of those quite desperately, and then here we are. Tattoo shop. Hidden Jewels Tattoos. So, tattoo is done. It was always going to be a little bit painful, but that's absolutely fine. It's all covered up at the minute, but as soon as I've got it unwrapped, I'll show you a couple of pictures. So yes, it was only yesterday. It'll take a bit of healing, but here's the finished item as of last night. I absolutely love it. I had to rush to go and get it done because my tattoo guy, who's done loads of my tattoos, is leaving the area. So a massive diolch yn fawr. Absolutely love it. And I'll show you again once it's healed a bit. So as I mentioned, the Ukumaniacs also came up here yesterday evening. We were trying to decide where to go and have a jam, and of course I realised I was having the tattoo done. So fair play, they came up here. We had a lovely evening, we chilled out. We didn't actually play much ukulele, but we discussed loads and loads of ideas for the future for the Ukumaniacs. We sorted out loads and loads more songs for future playlists and things, and talking about sort of, you know, what sort of things we can be doing in the future. We had a bit of a laugh. The spinning chair came out. But it was just a really, really nice end to a week where we got to chill, relax, have a chat, sort some things out. So watch this space for future Ukumaniac stuff. And no, Jude had not been drinking wine when she was on the spinning chair. So Rachel's Rambles number 12. It was a hectic few weeks, the end of term at school. I think people think we all just sort of sit around and chill out till the end of term. Certainly not in our place. So our summer concert, friends, family, other pupils turned up. It was all outdoors. It was a really nice, sunny, warm evening. It was so nice to get back to performing again. I couldn't film much, but I did manage to put the drone up in the air a couple of times. The Ukulaliens played. Obviously, I can't fly a drone and play ukulele at the same time, but you can see there the brass band was playing, our choir was singing, we had various vocalists, we even had a little drumming group going on at one point. So that was a really nice way for the music department just to enjoy the end of term. So yes, that went down a treat. So my big thing at the end of term was I had a ukulele day, a Hawaiian ukulele day, where I turned my room into little Hawaii. We last did it in 2019, but it was just a really nice way for us to have a bit of fun, for me to treat the kids a little bit after quite a busy year. We did some play-alongs, we had a little bit of fun with hula dancing, we even went outside for a bit till it started to rain, but yeah, just a really nice way to celebrate many of the pupils who've only just started playing ukulele. Okay, so our Hawaiian day was absolutely awesome, and I'm sure we will do more of those in the future. So the very last day of term, we actually finished off our staff table tennis tournament. We're quite competitive in school. I got knocked out in the first round, but it ended up everybody who was left in school came out to watch it. So I had a bit of fun just making a little sort of mockumentary style video, and what a fab day to finish term on. So yes, the summer holidays were at the end of week 1, so already I don't know what day of the week it is. Show Us Your Ukes episode 7 is coming soon. I've had some awesome entries for that, so I'm really looking forward to showing you guys. But if you want to see your ukes featured, watch the video on how to show us your ukes. It's dead simple. But yeah, look out for Show Us Your Ukes episode 7. The Cool Hand Ukes have got another gig coming up very soon. That's next weekend in a classic car show. So I'm really looking forward to that. Keeping fingers crossed the weather's good for us. But hopefully I'll do a vlog on that. Other plans for the summer, maybe a trip or two to different ukulele shops. Southern Ukes is on the cards this time. So really hoping we can do that. When I was talking to the Ukumaniacs last night, so I think a couple of them are up for it. I am planning to go over to West Wales later this week to the National Eisteddfod in Tregaron. I'm not 100% sure if it's all going to work yet, but there's a little ukulele thing going on there. If I do go, I'll obviously explain a lot more what an Eisteddfod is. It's a sort of music, cultural festival, and fingers crossed it's nice weather because it's a beautiful part of the country. But thank you guys as well for all your suggestions for ukulele events and festivals over the summer. I had every intention of going to Shrookfest, but then I remembered when I was having my tattoo done. So Shrookfest would have been yesterday, today and tomorrow, but I am definitely going to try and make that one next year, and who knows, I may make some of the other suggestions too. So that's Rachel's Rambles number 12 done. A little bit of what's been happening and a little bit of what's going to happen, and of course I've got my new tattoo, so I'm over the moon with that. A massive thank you to Hidden Jewels Tattoos down in Ystradgynlais. I will try and show you some more pictures of it once it's healed, because obviously where it is you're not actually going to see it in many videos. As always though, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free, leave it below, give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.